You guys ready? Oil packed sun-dried tomatoes. I had some already pre-sliced and I thought, well, I better use up what I have. If you have them in the tomato halves, like the whole halves, can we say that? I don't know. Lay it on your board, slice them really thin so we can spread out through the dish. I already have mine there, already measured. And we do oil packed sun-dried tomatoes because they're softer. You ever seen those hard ones? So they're dry, they're sun-dried tomatoes, but they're just hard and they're vacuum sealed and they're not in oil. If you buy those ones, you have to rehydrate them in order to make them palatable. And I ask people, how are you going to rehydrate that? What are you going to do to get those soft? And people say, well, put like boiling water on it. And although that would work, how much flavor does water have? Nothing. You're going to bland out those tomatoes because you're going to drain off that water. And guess what? All that water is going to go red. Why? Because it's extracting flavors from the sun-dried tomatoes. You're just pouring it down the drain. Doesn't make any sense, right? So buy oil packed sun-dried tomatoes, drain off the oil for this recipe, and then save the oil to make like a salad or something with it. Because usually they're packed in olive oil, and now they're nicely flavored with sun-dried tomatoes, that oil, right? So it makes sense. And you can save that oil, use it, and you're not wasting any flavors whatsoever. And these are already soft. You don't have to go through the process of rehydrating them. And I highly recommend, if you're looking for a really good sun-dried tomato, you buy that big jar at Costco. Very rarely will I recommend a big jar of anything at Costco, but the sun-dried tomatoes are fantastic. Yeah, they're really good. Lots of flavor, and that's what I'm using tonight.